Hi guys, this is Alex from BlackboxMyCar, and today we're going to be showing you some tips to give you the best possible outcome when it comes to installing your dashcam into your vehicle. One of the biggest questions we receive here at BlackboxMyCar in regards to installing a dashcam is, what is the best position to mount on my windshield? Dashcams have wide-angle lenses, so they should be mounted in or near the middle of the front windshield to capture the most dynamic view of the road. This is also because the dashcam lens rarely can be adjusted horizontally, but almost always can be adjusted vertically. We recommend you mount the dashcam near the rearview mirror so that the dashcam is more hidden and out of the driver's field of view, minimizing any distractions, thus also allowing a discrete location for your dashcam, which will reduce the risk of theft. We always recommend to angle the lens slightly upwards so that the video footage displays about 60% sky and 40% road. This angle offers a good balance of exposure and details. For dashcams that have a Wi-Fi smartphone app, we recommend you view live footage from your phone while mounting the dashcam, so you can select what position and angle you prefer the dashcam to be set at. Many people have raised concern when it comes to mounting their dashcam on the section of the windshield with black dots. Nevertheless, it is safe to mount your adhesive dashcam to this surface, and it will not cause any electronic interference if you mount the tape on these dots. If you ever have to remove the adhesive from these dots, it will not damage the dots either, as they're securely fused to the windshield in an oven during manufacturing. Note that suction cup dashcams typically will not stick to the frit, as the texture surface will not allow a perfect seal for the suction cup. Adhesive mounts can conform to the different textures. When putting on an adhesive mount, which almost all dashcams use, the windshield should be thoroughly cleaned with the window cleaner. Ensure the area is wiped dry at a room temperature, not too cold, and definitely not under direct sunlight before applying the adhesive. Once complete, press your hands against the mount and add pressure for about 10 seconds to secure the adhesive against the glass. This ensures the adhesive is properly bonded to the windshield and remains secure against vibrations. We hope these quick tips help you for when you install your dashcam. As always, thank you for watching and making BlackboxMyCar the #1 dashcam retailer across North America. If you have any questions you would like to see answered in a video, please contact us at info@blackboxmycar.com.